Hello. Do you need to uninstall? Hey guys, do you need to uninstall a certain app that's not working? First, go to Apple logo. Click on About this Mac. Click on Storage. You're going to see this, your drive. You want to click on Manage. You want to click on Applications. Keep your on older devices, it might take a while. Now that you're here, select your application, click Delete, and verify that you are deleting the app. Now, I'm going to show you more things of how to keep your Mac fast. Reduce center. You want to click on Review Files. Wait for your Mac to load. It might take a while on older systems. I am currently using a mid 2010, so it is going to be a bit slow for me, but it might be fast for you. So we have downloads, and then we have this. Okay, there seems to be no large documents. Empty trash automatically. This is one helpful feature. Empty trash automatically. Save space by automatically erasing items that have been in the trash for more than 30 days. So trash that was left in here for more than 30 days will be permanently deleted. Click turn on. Now we have optimize storage. You want to optimize storage. Okay. It says optimizing storage. Stay in iCloud. You don't have to do this one. Now, as you can see, this is way to delete things or uninstall. I hope you enjoyed the help. As always, if you did, comment and like. See you next time.